In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Asana to Excel. Let's get started by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Asana and click on the official Asana site from the results. If you aren't already signed in, log into your Asana account so you can access your workspace and projects. Once you're in, find the specific project you want to export. This could be any project where you have at least viewing access. Click the project to open it fully. It doesn't matter if your project is in list or board view. The export works the same way and will include the core task details. Now look toward the top of the screen where the project name appears. Just beside the project name, you'll see a small downward arrow. That arrow opens the Project Actions menu. Go ahead and click it. If your window is narrow, you might need to maximize or widen it to see this clearly. From the menu that appears, choose the option labeled Export or Sync. This is where Asana groups all export choices. Next, click on Project Tasks CSV/XLSX. Depending on your Asana plan and interface, you may see a CSV option, an XLSX option, or both. CSV is a plain text format that Excel can open, while XLSX is Excel's native format. Either option will include the main task information from your project, such as task names, descriptions, assignees, due dates, completion status, and custom fields that are visible in the project. After selecting the export type, click Export to start the download. Your file will begin downloading to your default Downloads folder. Once it's finished, you now have an Excel copy of your project. Open the file in Microsoft Excel to review and analyze your data. If you chose CSV and Excel asks about delimiters, select comma so the columns line up correctly. It's a good idea to save a CSV as a .xlsx file if you plan to add formulas, filters, or formatting, since .xlsx preserves those changes better. Keep in mind that this export is a snapshot of your project at the time you downloaded it. Any edits you make in Excel won't sync back to Asana, and updates in Asana after the export won't automatically appear in your spreadsheet. If you need a fresh version later, simply repeat these same steps. That's it. You searched for Asana, opened your project, used the drop-down next to the project name, chose Export or Sync, selected Project Tasks CSV XLSX, and clicked Export. You're ready to work with data so with your Asana data to directly the index systems feel